Hi, I'm Wayne again from BWC Publishing. Today we're going to show you how to make ice cream in a sandwich bag. This is pretty neat. Great for a kid's party. Your kids' guests get to make their own ice cream and eat it right out of the sandwich bag. You'll be the hit of the party. Okay, we're going to start off with a cup of half and half. Open up your baggie. Mix it right here in the baggie, or use a bowl so we don't spill any. Pour our half and half into your baggie. There you go. Okay, there's the half and half. Need about a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of sugar. Pour that in there. Mix it up real good. Okay, seal the bag, get most of that air out of there you can. There's our mixture. Okay, now we're going to take our gallon bag, fill about half full of ice. Oops. That ought to be enough. Now about 1/3 cup of rock salt. Now this rock salt is what we used to make ice cream with. But you could probably use just regular salt from your table there. There you go. Now, mix that up real good. Okay. Now we're going to take our bag of ice cream mix. Put it down in there. Get it down in that ice good. Make sure it's sealed up. Okay, seal up your bag of ice and start shaking. Let's see how we're doing here. Well, it's getting cold down in that ice. Alright, now check it and see how we're doing here. Here's our bag. Hey, it's beginning to get kind of firm. It's also wet. We're getting close. Put it back down in there. The longer you shake it, the firmer it'll get. Let's see how we are now. Yeah, it's getting pretty firm now. Get to the point you can put some more ice in there too if you want to. It'll always help. Let's check it and see how we're doing. Looky there, that's getting there. I like it like that. I think I'm going to just use it right there. Okay, put your ice aside. Dry your table off. Let's see what we got here. Let's open it up. Get us a little spoon. Oh yeah, that looks good. You can even add a few sprinkles in it. I think I've got some sprinkles here. There we go. As you can see, there's your ice cream. Okay, you're going to be the hit of the party. You could put chocolate syrup in it. You could add fruit to it. Whatever you want to add. Strawberry syrup. Okay, there's your ice cream. Hope you enjoyed that. You'll be a hit of the party if you get your birthday kids to do this. We will see you next time.